Hi guys, Simon here. In today's video I'm showing you how to make your Facebook full private on phone. First we go to our menu on Facebook and in the right corner we see our settings. Then you see privacy checkup, add tools and resources. We tap on it and we tap who can see what you share. We continue and make sure you put everything on only me if you want it full private. As you can see I already did that. You can't put your stories on only me, but if you don't post stories, no one will see that because there aren't stories then. And you can change who can see your past post. You can limit that. So now it isn't public anymore. Click on next. Then we go to how people can find you on Facebook. Then we change this to friends of friends. People with your phone number on no one. And people with your email address on no one. And we click on next. Your data settings on Facebook, we tap on that, and then you can remove this if you want, so you're not sharing any information. You tap on next and change this to never in your device settings, location or information. Then we go to our add preferences, continue, and disable all of this. You can see your social interactions also on only me. And then we go back, we go to profile details, and here you see public, and then we tap on post. Who can see your future post on only me. Limit who can see past post. We also limit that. We go back, we go to stories. Here you can choose and manage your stories. You can customize it, so choose whoever you want if you still want to post stories. Sharing options also the same. Don't allow if you want to full private. Messaging options disable, and disable your story archive. And we go back to pages, and these are all deactivated. Then we go to reels. Who can see your reels also on customize, so you can choose whoever you want, and disable allow others. So the point is we disable and put everything on only me, also at profile and tagging. Who can see posts on your profile. I think this one is the most important because most people don't want that, or only their friends. But if you want it full private that no one can see, we put it on only me. And who can see what others post also on only me. Allow others disable. So you disable everything and put everything on only me. The last one is your active status. Make sure that it's off, so when you're online no one sees that you're active. That was it for today's video, guys. I hope you get the point of this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and see you in the next tutorial.